everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Samosree from Sam Speaks. Today I've brought in for you one very simple, effective trick to help everyone, whoever is at home but need to get their eyebrows done, because we know we are now at home and the parlors and everything are shut, but because of our natural phenomena, the eyebrows do grow, the extras do come up, but we need to get that fixed. Some people are too afraid of using tweezers, so am I. I am not a big fan of tweezers. It scares the shit out of me. What I do is I will be using some makeup items to fix the extras. So the agenda of this video is that I'll be getting my base done and then show you the eyebrow trick that I'll be using to fix the extras of my eyebrows. This will hopefully help anyone who need to go out, obviously after things gets better, but you know, we are still afraid of going to the parlors because of the crowd there. So we can still get it fixed with this trick at home. So without any further delay, let's get started. So as you can see, my base makeup is done. I have applied the primer and also the foundation, which is suitable for my skin color. So I have also applied concealer. So coming to our main focus of our video, that is eyebrows. As you can see, if I come closer, there are extras. So now obviously we don't have any provision for going to the beauty parlor or calling anyone at home to get it done. So what I'll be doing is I'll be fixing the extras with the help of a concealer. So for doing this, I'll be using one of the brush. Concealer that I'll be using is e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer. So this is a lighter tone of the concealer. I'll be taking a pinch amount of the concealer in the tip of the brush and then applying it on the extras of my eyebrows. Please don't forget to use a high coverage concealer, otherwise the purpose of using the concealer to cover the extras of the eyebrows won't be served. So a high coverage concealer is a must. Also a lighter shade of the concealer is required, because if we use something which matches our skin tone, then the extras won't be covered properly. We'll be blending the same with our thumb. I prefer to use my thumb because that helps to make my eyebrows blend more precisely. Now you can see the eyebrows looks highlighted. So what I'll have to do now is to set the concealer, otherwise it will tend to mess up my makeup. So to make sure that the liquid concealer sits in its place and do not crease, I'll be using the Fit Me Loose Powder. I'm in the shade light medium. I'll be applying this with a flat brush of Wet n Wild. Don't forget to put the loose powder under your eyes, because that is a region where most people crease in the summers, especially for the oily skin people like me who tend to crease in the T-zone area. The more you apply the loose powder, the longer the makeup will stay. So now you can see that the extras of my eyebrows are hardly visible and it almost looks like neat. I have to cover up the empty areas of my eyebrows. For that, I'll be using the Color Pop Bromade. I got this online. So I'll be taking one brush that I have received from the Maybelline gel eyeliner. I'll be taking that bromade with the help of this brush and then applying it on the empty areas of my brow. The eyebrows looks neater, cleaner, fuller, and of course the extras which were there are hardly noticeable now. So that's a trick which I wanted to show you all. Now I'll complete the rest of the makeup and come back again. The rest of the makeup has been completed. I have done my eyeliner, eyelashes and blush, and also the lipstick. The products used will be mentioned in the description box below. So to finish up the eyebrows, I will be using one shade from the K-Beauty highlighter, that is the Frosted Eyes, and I'll be highlighting the brow bones with the help of the same thin brush that I used to apply the concealer. So this is the complete makeup look. I have highlighted the eyebrows. The eyebrows also looks much more defined. The extras are also not visible, so I hope this technique will help everyone whoever needs to get their eyebrows done but are unable to go out. Hope you all like this. Thank you for watching. Do come back to my channel. I'll be posting such makeup videos soon. Thank you.